what better place to unbox a phone made for the rugged outdoors than the rugged outdoors. Real quick unboxing. Nuu Mobile R1. I'm outside. I control none of the sounds around me. Let's see. And shout out to Nuu Mobile for sending me this R1. Shout out to Everyday Tech over on YouTube for making me want this phone after he trashed it. Alright, so real quick, like I said, I wonder how rugged the box is. Oh man, from all the pictures and the videos, I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but it's a nice size device. Nice weight to it, but that's expected. Let's rip all this stuff off. I won't be needing a case for this. So what does say? Please peel off this mask after application completed. I don't know what application, but I'm gonna peel this off. And it comes with a built-in screen protector. That's dope. So this is just an unboxing. Let's see. Let's put the phone down here. Yeah, just do the phone on the ground. So in the box we got a SIM ejector, some pamphlets and stuff, USB. It's a micro USB and not a type C. And we have the charging block. Did they give me stickers? Yes, they gave me stickers. Nuu Mobile stickers. Alright, so that was the unboxing. You've seen what came in the box. And here's the phone. I will be back with a full review in a little bit. Actually in a couple days, because I'm going to put this thing to the test of everyday life. The oops, the all mans, the dams, and all that stuff. So yeah, Nuu Mobile R1 was released back in January. So it's a rugged phone, waterproof, dustproof, heatproof, cold proof. So you can be out in the sun, you can leave it in the car, you can lose it in the snow, you can use it in extreme cold. And alright, this ain't the review. Let me get out of here. I'll be back. See y'all later.